artista, no? So, ang tama na mga camera, for later. Later, okay. So, if ako giwag ka ninyo, okay naman sa giwag ka nito, mana?
Yes!
Where's the heat ba? Where's the heat? Ato malalaki o smile na. So, yan lang guys. If ako kinto ninyo, atong pakpakan ito, ano? Wala lang, this is the same tradition na sabi gihapon, okay?
Yeah.
Let me introduce you the owner of the company. Ready guys? Come nyo! Yun lang. Sikat ang tao. Pakpakan nila. Dapat inyong sa akin, dapat mawag sa ibang ba? Dapat yung hanya. Gagawin tama din yung basta-basta. Okay, ready na, todo na. If kami guys, ito doon niyo, all the more this person. Again, I'm so privileged to do this person. The owner of High-Tech guys, ha? Very famous person nowadays. Ready? Come message to all of you. First, thank you so much for coming and thank you for accepting the invitation. I know some of you medyo na-ambush at kinaladkad dito, pero alam mo, kadalasan naman the best opportunities are those that we stumble upon by accident. Namatay ang may ilaw. I have a saying na yung tinatawag na luck o yung swerte, no? It's actually two components. Opportunity and preparation meeting. So ito yun, di ba? Yung opportunity ninyo, kaharap nyo na. Kaharap nyo si Witness. Ang High-Tech, yun ang opportunity. Preparation, well, it took a lot of guts to come here, whether forced or not. The point is, who knows what can happen, di ba? Ang High-Tech binili ko ito because I want to create entrepreneurs of Filipinos. When I say entrepreneurs, ibig sabihin kayo boss, kayo negosyante, you control your own time, and you handle your finances. Alright? Ang tanong ko naman kasi, what is your plan B? Ibig sabihin ng plan B. Halimbawa, may regular job ka, wala naman security doon. Anong option mo? Diba? You want to put up a business, kaya lang hindi mo lang magkano capital. You don't want to start up a business. We will help you do that at a small capital. If you start to at 880, actually mababa yun, considering what you will be benefiting from. Ang present way na siguro is 20% pala. 20% pala ng business natin. The opportunity that we'll be presenting, mind-boggling even for me. I'm really honored to be in front of you right now to talk about the business, to talk about High-Tech. High-Tech is my blood, sweat, and tears. Yan ang halos 10 taon na iginugulo sa showbiz. At dito kayo pinasok lahat. High-Tech is 4 divisions in 1. ICT, ang competence niya, kahit ano related to computers, programs, software, sales and distribution, marketing and advertising, tapos yung new wallet na tinatawag. So ito yung new wallet natin. And marami akong mga developments, pati yung mga key figures natin dito, hindi ba nila alam, kasi fresh from Maynila, yung mga developments namin. And all of these developments are geared towards making things more convenient for all of you. Alright? So, like what Willis said, getting that try, you will never know it. Ako, I don't live life na sayang. Ayoko yun eh. Gusto ko yung, when I'm in my deathbed, 60 years from now, I look back in my life and I know na it took a chance someplace, somewhere. Right? Alright? If it's not worth taking a risk, it's not worth doing. Ganun lang yun. Yes, there will be some times na parang manghihinayang kayo. What business? No, walang ganun. Correct. Diba? Lahat ng mga negosyo may trial. Nothing good ever came easy. You work hard, and you will be rewarded well. That I assure you. The marketing plan that we have for you is unbeatable practically. No? Saka nakakita na tutulog cellphone mo, na 12:30 ng gabi or ng umaga, tutulog, hindi ka mainis, matutuwa ka. Kasi nandun yung mga commissions mo, mga products mo. Alright, there are a lot of developments that I want to talk about. I don't preempt kasi may meeting sa mga leaders mamaya on the new developments. But in a nutshell, High-Tech is not just a loading business. That is 10%. 10% yan. Bakit 10%? Kasi hindi perfect yung system ng loading. We are dependent on telcos, Globe, Smart, and Sun. Alright? Hindi ko naman, I don't own Globe. I don't own Smart. I don't own Sun. So pag may problem sila, that is obviously our problem then. Diba? So we inherit these problems. So if you make it a small part of your business lang, one of the introductory points of your business, and then you present the other more beneficial or even more beneficial